Guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here. So today, 2025 is the first group ride. We got some guys behind me, and we're all going to go on a group ride. This is my first group ride of 2025, and my son's joining us. It's his first group ride ever. So we're going to get at it. I got Walt from PA, I got Scott's Motors Adventure, I got Simon from Trekkie Moto. So all these guys are here with us, and we're going to hit it, and we're going to get out on the road. All right, we'll catch up with you in a bit.
Goofy bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear, windy canyons wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
All right, guys, we're on the bikes now. As you can see, I got everybody in front of me. I am running tail gunner today because I want to keep my son in front of me, because like I said, this is his first group ride. So I just want to keep an eye on him, let him ride his ride. If those guys get up ahead, that's cool, that's fine. Like a fucking child. So we made our first stop of the day. Covered bridge. That's what Walt's famous for. Covered bridge rides. We all know that one. If you know Walt, you know that. This is actually, we stopped at this bridge on the Road Apple ride. The first big group ride that we had with the Walt and PA Discord guys. That was what? 4 years ago now? Yeah, I think it was 2021. Yeah, it's got to be 2020 because you and I met in 2020. So, yeah, I think it was 2021. We went to Shady Maple and pigged the fuck out. Like, we ate like kings there, because that's what you do at Shady Maple. So yeah, so this is what we're doing. We stopped for a 5-10 minute break. Let everybody get their butts or butts awake. You know, it's been a long winter. So, all right, we're gonna get back on the road in a minute here, and we'll show you some more fucking road footage. All right, guys, we made it to our final destination. We're going to the Flying Pig Tavern and Tap, someplace I've never been before. So we're going to check it out. This was Walt's idea. So the food sucks, just gonna blame him. So yeah, we're gonna go in, check it out, see what's going on. You see the bikes behind us? See everybody walking up? All right. So yeah, this was our final destination. And I guess I'll record an outro when we get back on the bike. Hey guys, so to finish up this video, this is actually, I'm recording this right now. It's actually a couple weeks later from when the actual ride happened. So yeah, it was all kind of user error on my part. I must have accidentally turned this GoPro into photo mode. And every time I thought I was starting the camera, I was taking a picture. So yeah, I had some great footage of Amish country. There was a bunch of horse and buggies because it was a Sunday morning and everybody was getting, all the Amish were getting done with church and they were running around. And I had this one part of the video that had this this one horse and buggy that was going to be making a left-hand turn in front of me, and so they were waiting for us to go by, but the horse was not happy at all. I don't know what was going on, but as I was going by it, the horse reared up towards me. I was like, oh shit. But yeah, so we went to the oh shit, I can't remember what the name of it now was. I'll put it down here. The restaurant we went to. Now I wound up getting a buffalo chicken sandwich, and my son got the same thing. Now everybody else got burgers, and honestly, it was okay. It wasn't spectacular. It wasn't great. It was okay. Would I order that again? No, I would not. A lot of gravel out here. What the hell's up with that? So no, I would not order that again. No, everybody else got the burgers, and they were really complimenting them. They were really raving about how good they were. So next time we go there, if we go there again, maybe I'll try a burger. But yeah, I wasn't really impressed with the buffalo chicken sandwich, in all honesty. Like I said, it was just okay. I've actually had a lot better in other places. So yeah, that's wrapping it up. Yeah, make the left-hand turn, buddy. Get out of my way. Thank you. See, that was the ride. Unfortunately, like I said, I lost a lot of footage that I thought I had, and yeah, it kind of sucks. But the 3 pictures that I took when I thought I was recording were beautiful pictures of the hand. So maybe I'll post one of them up here. So anyway, guys, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.